Oh, it's making holes even in plastic. You can see here. I made this tube from the pen's ink tube, and I made this from binding wire. I cut it and fitted into this so that this can make holes easily. I didn't use a fresh one. I used the rusted one, so it can easily drill holes. And I tied this with normal thread, and I didn't use any quick glue. So thank you friends for watching.